vegetable oil. If you have a very oily hair, you can leave this out. You can leave the vegetable oil out, so you don't have to put it if you don't want to. It is optional. And for this, I'm not going to add my... Hello, Kujani. Bonjour. Hola. How you guys doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm going to be showing you two methods on how you can make your shampoo at home. Yes, if you are looking for a very cost-effective shampoo and naturally friendly organic shampoo that you can make at little to no cost, or things that you already have in your kitchen, here's the video for you. So before we dive into this video, be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below how you think about this shampoo. And guess what? This shampoo is below $5. If you have $5, you can easily make this shampoo. And besides, there are lots of things in your kitchen that you can use in making this shampoo. So if you are a cost-effective somebody like me, then let's dive into this video. So for the first method, we are going to need our castor soap and essential oil. This is optional. If you want essential oil in it, that's just to add some scent in your shampoo, and some water. But you're gonna need your spray bottle. You can use any bottle you have at home that can work fine. I mean, you don't have to buy bottle. Anything you have at home that you can easily put your shampoo in it will work very well. And you can also add vegetable oil as well if you would like it to be oily. All right, so let's dive into the video. Let me show you how I make my shampoo, and you're gonna love it. So I'm going to add half cup of water, half cup of my castor soap. So this is a reminder for you, if you're making a large quantity, the same amount you use for the water is going to be the same amount for the castor soap as well. And because castor soap is made of natural ingredients, plant-based ingredients, it works best for your homemade shampoo, and is also concentrated, so you don't need too much of your castor soap. And once you finish making this shampoo, it's not going to be as thick as the one you buy in the store, but it works very well, just like the store-bought one, even better than the store-bought shampoo. Okay, so I'm going to add some few drops of my lavender oil. I love essential oils in most of my home-based DIYs. I love to add essential oils because it gives it some scent. So if you don't like essential oil, you don't have to add it. Okay, 10 drops of my essential oil, and I'm going to add some vegetable oil as well. I'm going to add one tablespoon of my vegetable oil. I'm going to shake everything together, just like that. And there we go. So here is it. You can see, so it's thin compared to the store-bought shampoo, but it works very well. So apart from this shampoo being cost effective, it's very gentle on the hair. It's gonna make your hair feel so soft. It's safe to use because you know the ingredients in it. It helps in hair growth improvement. It's environmental friendly. It improves the overall look and feel of your scalp and hair. So make sure to try it. And above all, the ingredients are all natural, so you know what you're putting in your hair, and it's also cost effective. So I will encourage you to try it out, and you will never go back to the store but shampoo. Okay, all right, let's dive into the second method. And if you're loving this video so far, make sure to subscribe, comment down below. I love to hear your thoughts. So for the second method, the ingredient is almost the same thing, but the only difference is the about tea. So I'm going to be using my rosemary about tea, my castor soap, my butter, my vegetable oil, and this is optional, our essential oil. All right, then I'm going to need water as well. This is rosemary about tea, so I'm going to brew this tea for 5 minutes on the stove, or you can get hot water and just put it inside your cup, let it brew. So we are going to need the water that comes with the rosemary. So I'm going to get some water, half cup of water. So remember, if you are making a larger quantity, the same quantity you are using for water is going to be the same for your castor soap. If it's one cup of soap, 1 cup of water, then it's going to be 1 cup of your castor soap. All right, so castor soap, using half cup. Then I'm going to use half cup of my rosemary tea. So I got my half cup of rosemary tea. Vegetable oil. If you have a very oily hair, you can leave this out. You can leave the vegetable oil out, so you don't have to put it if you don't want to. It is optional. And for this, I'm not going to add my essential oil, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So remember, I had the 4 ingredients we have here: water, castor soap, about tea, and castor vegetable oil. I'm going to shake it gently so that all the ingredients can mix up together. I mean, this is what I use for my hair. I love this so much. My scalp used to have some like itchy most of the time, and since I've been using this, I have a very nice texture, and my scalp is very no more itchy, and everything is good. See, this is very cost effective. You can make it under $5. If you have any question or comment, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and I will answer your question. And this cannot stay it can't stay too long, so I would suggest you make as you go, or if you have anything left, like you make a lot and you have to, you can finish it, you can keep it in the refrigerator, because we don't have any preservative in it. It's all organic. so because that's why it's not going to last so long. So you use it, you make it on the go. Okay, this can probably last for a week or two, and that's it before you discard it to make another one. Okay, so it's not going to smell like the one you bought in the store, and it's not that thick like the one you bought in the store, but this works very well, more than the store-bought shampoo. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all your comments. I appreciate you all, and God. That you would like me to do, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. All right, see you in the next video.